Greg here with Rockaway, who's been your account manager for almost this entire year. Typically, I'm meeting with Dan once a month. This month, and I hope he's doing well down in South Florida on a well-deserved vacation. Wanted to report to you about July. In addition to the newsletter that we distribute monthly, we thought it would be a little bit more helpful for me to come on and explain what's going on through the month of July and where we're at in June. We are going to be replacing on our dime about 2 pallets of sod, probably for the last time unless we can work a deal with aeration. Unfortunately, that didn't pass for the budget in the spring. Hopefully we could get it in the fall or for 2026. It is a complicated property with a lot of complexities, and chinch bugs love it here. But we did agree to do that in combination with the water restrictions that we know we have is going to continually be a problem. But together as partners, Dan and the board and Rockaway and myself are working on it. Overall, I'm usually here every other week. There are improvement opportunities or concerns that come in through main management, which I'm fielding and getting eyes on. In some cases, they're just human error, which we will make right each and every time. In other cases, it's just an environmental factor, whether it be overwatering or underwatering by a particular homeowner outside of the regularly scheduled program, or there's a lot of variables, but we go case by case and we try to make it right every time, or be honest on together how we can make sure it doesn't happen in the future. We did just today actually get done with your PGR round, or plant growth regulator, which what that means is after we go and prune, we're applying organic hormone that actually increases the health of the plant, limits their growth, makes them more dense, especially at the bottom. Most importantly, we will not have to use power pruners probably for the next 3 or 4 months because of these continual applications. So we're reducing noise, which I'm sure none of you mind with the noisy pruners, carbon emission, and then of course green waste. So we've been at that for about 2 years on this property. Last year we did make a mistake on some of the south side and burnt. We did make it right, we felt like, and put new plant material in. We're certainly not perfect, but overall we feel like it's been a tremendous success. The plant material is looking much better over the last couple years. For the most part, you folks have someone else put the mulch in, but that certainly helps. I believe someone else does the palms. So together we're trying to figure out the best way we can handle a very complex property with very unique individuals' tastes and preferences. I feel like overall we're probably at a B+ or an A level after my last walkthrough, and we're certainly all striving to get it to be A to A+. So I hope this helps, and on behalf of Rockaway, your crew, the production crew, the office management, as well as myself and my brother, I want to wish you a very happy July 4th holiday. May God bless us all, and we really do appreciate the business and look forward to years of partnerships going forward.